Today we're looking at how you can use social media to drive bookings. This is the Manor. They're based in Aylesbury and it's a restaurant and bar. And what they've done is they've got a brand new menu, and this is just such a good way to introduce it. So what they've done is they've cooked all of the dishes that are on the menu, and they've put them all out on the table. So I think it just really shows off the food at its best. It looks beautiful. You can really see the variation. You can see the sheer amount of options that people have. And then here, obviously in the caption, they put, have you tried our new winter tapas menu yet? If not, please book by the link in our bio. So they've kept it really, really simple because it's all about the food. It's a great way to introduce and showing a sample of every dish. And I think pictures of food really make people want to eat there. It makes people love to see, I guess, what they want before they get there. And with it being a new menu, it means that people are much more likely to tag friends in the comments as to who they would like to go for a meal with. As you can see, people have put this here. So it's just such a lovely idea, and I think it's something that anybody could replicate.